For all of those who prefer to spend the Saturday morning messing with old cars instead of going to the beach, be welcome once more to a Coupes lab. And today we're going to fix the seat backrest on the Mercedes Coupe. This seat backrest is locked with vacuum system. This is normally an easy fix. Normally it's just the hose that inside of the actuators is under the seat. It gets loose and disconnected by itself. So all we have to do is to remove the seat and connect the hose back again. I already begun here, but I will show you how to do that. Without further ado, hands on to the tools. With the engine on and closed doors, the seat backrest should lock itself, and it's not working. Check. It shouldn't do that. The seat back should unlock only with the open doors, or if I press the button here. Probably there is some air leaks or vacuum leaks on the system, preventing it to work properly. If you're experiencing the same problem but you have a W124, the valve is located under the rear seat bench, driver side. On the 126 is located here, behind the knee panel. So first I'm gonna check the valve there and check if vacuum is reaching it properly. So let's remove this knee panel. Vacuum tubing for the seat is the blue one here. The valve is here. Now I'm gonna turn on the car and put the manual pump there to check the amount of vacuum. As you may see, vacuum is coming from the engine but not from the valve. Seems the valve is bad. Probably it's locked. In order to remove this seat, you have to remove 4 screws on the seat rails, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Push the seat all the way back to remove in the front, and then push the seat all the way to the front to remove those from the back. In order to remove this cover here, it's a cover made with carpet, you have to release these 2 springs here. They are attached to a rail on the back of the seat. You have to push the seat all the way forward, and then if you put your head down there, you're gonna see these tips of the strings, these hooks attached to a bar in the back. Remove them first, and then you're gonna have access to all controls of the seat. The Mercedes SEC has something different from other cars. You have to remove this bar here too. It's also attached to the seat. To be able to access the vacuum actuators, the seat before you remove it should be all the way to the front. Otherwise the motors and mechanism will be in front of the actuators and you won't be able to reach it. I'm not sure if we'll be able to watch this, to see these springs. I told you they are here. They are here and there, and they secure this trimming, this carpet trim I told you. It's one of the hardest parts to put back in place. Both seats had the same problem. The connection to the actuators escaped from its place. In the passenger seat I fixed already, in the driver's seat was exactly the same problem. To avoid this happening all over again, instead of just reconnecting, I'm gonna put a longer hose, and this way you're gonna have some slack for moving itself while the seat is used. And I think it solves the problem. Do the connection properly to make it just once, because it's not an easy job to put this out and back all the time. So a new hose is on. Gonna just use some clamps to hold it safe in place, and vacuum is working, so both seats are good. Before mounting everything back, let's test it. Now I have to be very careful to mount it back, for not to put the hose out of place. And as you can see here, we had the same problem on the passenger seat. Even after I had fixed it already, the hose got loose again from the connection. So for this time I again intend to use a little bit of super glue, and I think I will stop this problem once for all. So this way we complete one more mission. We can erase one more thing of the list of what to do in this car. Seats are locking fine, Thank God I didn't need to spend any money. It was just connecting back the hoses and connections. I used super glue for them not to escape again. And that's all. Thank you for watching again. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And this way you can always see me suffering and have some tips to fix your car by yourself, your Mercedes-Benz. Keep on driving.